Topic is graphical representation of motion. So first type of graph is distance time graph. In distance time graph there will be two type of graph. First for uniform motion and second for non-uniform motion. So first we will see uniform motion. For uniform motion, just take a table. Here distance in meter and take time in second. Suppose object covered 2 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 6 kilometer and 8 meter, means equal change in distance and equal change in interval of time. Take 1 second, then 2 second, 3 second and 4 second. So our graph will be like that. Always take time on x-axis and distance on y-axis. So first write the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 2, 4, 6 and 8. Similar graph is given in figure number 8.3. You can see from there. So when time is 1, distance is 2. When time is 2, distance is 4. When time is 3, distance is 6. When time is 4, distance is 8. So your graph will be in straight line motion, straight line graph. So when motion is uniform, our graph will be straight. But what about when motion is non-uniform? When motion is non-uniform, so our graph will be curved, which is given in figure number 8.4 and table is given table 8.2. So just see the table 8.2, open your textbook. You can see in table 8.2 time in second 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It means that there is equal change in interval of time. But what about distance? Just see 0 to 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7. Okay, but there is no change in equal change in distance. So unequal change in distance but equal change in interval of time, this type of graph is known as, this type of motion is known as non-uniform. So just see the graph, figure number 8.4. Understood? So you can draw this graph in your text notebook. Next type of graph is velocity time graph. Again, in velocity time graph, you will take time on x-axis and velocity on y-axis. So here velocity time graph for uniform motion. So when object move with uniform motion, take here time, here velocity. Uniform motion means constant velocity or constant speed. Suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same table you can take 2, 4, 6 and 8 and your time is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have taken distance and time. So you can see here first 1 second 2 kilometer, first next 1 second 2 kilometer, next 1 second 2 kilometer, next 1 second 2 kilometer. So what is our velocity here? 2 meter per second means constant velocity, there is no change. So here you have to write 2, 4, 6 and 8. So our graph will be like that only. Why? Because time is changing continuously but velocity is constant. So what is the velocity here? 2. Here distance is changed but when you will find the velocity or speed, your speed or velocity is constant, and generally we know that in uniform motion, a motion in which speed is constant. So if speed is constant, so there is no change in velocity graph, only change in time. Okay beta, so this is the velocity time graph. Next graph we will see what about uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. We have seen uniform motion and non-uniform motion, and we have discussed only uniform motion and non-uniform motion. But what about uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration? Simple, in simple way you can define. But first of all, what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. So for uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration, how you will define? Equal change in velocity with respect to time is acceleration. So equal change in velocity with respect to equal change in time is known as uniform acceleration. And for non-uniform acceleration, you can say equal change in velocity but unequal change in interval of time, or you can say that both unequal change, or you can say that unequal change in velocity and equal change in interval of time. Understood? In the similar manner you will define uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration as you defined uniform motion and non-uniform motion. But for defining uniform motion you will say that equal distance covered in equal interval of time, and for defining uniform acceleration, in place of distance you will say velocity. So equal change in velocity and equal interval of time is known as uniform acceleration. Equal change in velocity but unequal interval of time is known as non-uniform acceleration. So see, just change the page, see the figure number 8.6 and 8.7. In 8.6 it is written that velocity time graph for a car moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means there is equal change in velocity and equal change in interval of time. So this graph will be similar as distance time graph of uniform motion. What we have seen in uniform motion of distance time graph, it is a straight line because equal change in distance and equal change in time interval. So here in velocity time graph, equal change in velocity and equal change in time. So our graph will be straight line. So what about non-uniform? When non-uniform acceleration, then velocity time graph will be zigzag or curve. So any type of, it's depend on whatever value we have taken. So if table is given for you, it's not difficult for you to indicate on graph, because in maths and science, in both subject, you know that how to draw or indicate the values on graph. Okay beta.